Hi, thank you for calling. My name is Brando. May I have your first name and last day, please? Last name, please? Rico Puno, you said? Is that R for arigato? And I for ice water? And C for seafood? O for ostrich? And then P for papaya? U for unicorn? N for Encantadia? And then another O for Oscha? Hello Rico, how can you today? How are you today? And how can I help you today? Oh, you're having trouble in logging in? Oh, I see. Okay, first apologize for this. Apologies for this. Let me walk you. Let me walk through you. Let me walk you through in logging in. You still can't log in? Siguro, I think, can you give me another chance to check my resources for this? I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Hello Rico, thank you for calling. Thank you for holding. And I'm sorry po for the long hold. Oh, you're already logged in? Love it. I love it. Great. Congrats. So, is there anything else pa? None na? Great. Again, thank you for coming. Thank you for calling. My name is Brando and have a great stay.